How to use iOS 14 widgets. First, hold down your home screen and click the plus in the top left corner. Now you can access Apple widgets. Click on which widget you would like, such as a clock, and select the size. Then add it to your home screen. Another way to add widgets to your home screen is through the app Widgetsmith. When you download the app, scroll through and select which size widget you would like. When you click on the specific widget, you will have the opportunity to customize by color, size, and other attributes. Once you decide what you would like to add to your home screen, click the back button and go to your home screen. There, you will hold down the screen, click the plus icon, and scroll all the way to the bottom of the widget dashboard where you'll see Widgetsmith. Select which size you had in the app, click, and you can add it to your home screen.